Hey, it's Mark Slater here with Prime Spine Consulting, and I just completed my first ever Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind. I have doctors that have been in my program for years, and they were saying, Mark, we're doing well, but we need something a little more. So I created the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind to help doctors get to that next level and scale their personal injury practice through collaboration with other people doing it at a high level. So you don't have to feel so alone in your practice. You can collaborate, speak with, at live events like this one, or offline, in between the live events, in between weekly or monthly collaboration calls, and get the help you need from a group of friends who are doctors across the country, growing, hitting challenges in their practice, and having a group of people who can help them and support them by understanding their challenges, getting clarity on their challenges, and go, oh, I've got it. These are the resources I can give you. This is the system that I can share with you. These are the people that I can connect you with. That is what a mastermind is truly all about. I want to share something with you. Halfway through this mastermind, during lunch on the second day, I called my wife, Julie, and I said, Julie, I have to tell you something. This is one of the most satisfying and gratifying things I've ever done as a business owner, to bring high-level doctors together from all across the country who had no idea who each other were at the beginning. They just left here with everyone's contact info, hugging, high-fiving, and because early in the day we just solved other challenges. There was a client here this weekend. On the first day, when he goes back and implements what we helped him with on Monday, is going to save quantifiably $750,000. That's going to go back into his pocket with his challenge. What could you do with $750,000 in your pocket? How many more people could you help? How many charities could you support? How many vacations could you take with your family? How many staff members could you bonus? Maybe you can now provide benefits for your staff members. That's the power of a mastermind. You're not alone. One of the doctors I was talking to was saying, God, Mark, I feel that a lot of the guys that are in the room are thinking and having these same issues that I am, and it was so good to feel that I'm not the only one having those challenges. One of the most incredible added values of this mastermind is a lot of the doctors felt like they can't talk to chiropractors or other doctors in the personal injury space in their city because it's so hyper competitive. And so when you're talking to other doctors in your city, you may not want to be 100% forthcoming. And on the other end, they may not want to be forthcoming with the answer to really help you because you're competing. At this mastermind this weekend, they were able to really explain and get vulnerable with their challenges and really open up so we could understand what was really happening in their business and the value to share that with other doctors who are not competing with you, who can give you their unbiased, true feelings and help you get you the solution that you need to your challenge. That was an immeasurable value add to them joining the mastermind. They are members of this mastermind for a calendar year. So for 12 months, they have 9 other doctors holding them accountable because we all know what our goals are now. And they all know what the solutions are to those goals or challenges that they have. So month after month on collaboration calls, how are you doing with the solution to that challenge? Are you doing X, Y, and Z that we recommended you take action on? So this is a way to hold you accountable with a group of people who are rooting for you, who love you because they've met you and formed this bond of communication. And if you're having trouble or you're struggling or you come to a block, you've got 9 guys, including me, I'm just the moderator here, who can give you the resources and point you in the direction that you need, or just light a fire under your ass to take the actions that you need that were described to you in this mastermind to overcome those challenges and get to the next level of your business. A doctor is going to share his challenge. As soon as the question or the challenge was out of the doctor's mouth, another doctor said, hey, this is exactly what we did. Now, he's on the other side of the country. So he was willing to share and be open and vulnerable and just essentially give him the keys to the castle and say, hey man, this is exactly what we were challenged with 2 years ago, and these are the steps we took to implement, and these are the action steps that we took, and I will share those with you so that you can have the exact same success that we had in our practice 4 states away. If you've been thinking about joining a mastermind and you've been looking for the exact right one for your personal injury practice, the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind may be exactly what you're looking for. Maybe you're stuck at $100,000 a month, $200,000 a month. Maybe you've been stuck at 50 personal injury patients a month and you just can't unlock whatever is blocking you from getting to 70, 80, 100, 200 new PI patients a month. The Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind may be the solution to those challenges. Why the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind? Well, I have had clients over the past 2 or 3 years say, Mark, we're having a lot of success in your front-end products, but we're looking for more. Like, what else can we do? What else do you have to offer that can help us get to the next level? Getting a group of people together, all with the same goals of growing personal injury businesses across the country and bringing them together for a live event. Figuring out what really is the problem in your business. What is really holding you back? Sometimes it's not business problems. Sometimes people have life problems that show up in their business, and let's uncover those for you so that we can unlock the keys to the castle for a breakthrough for more personal injury patients, more personal injury business, and to grow your personal injury practice. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Not about courses and content and watching videos, but getting in a room with people and sharing your challenges and getting solutions to those challenges is what made the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind come to fruition. If you're open to learning more about masterminding, and specifically the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind, you can go to my website, www.primespineconsulting.com. Click on the link for the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind to get some information. And on that website, you can book a call with me. And we can either do a 15-minute phone call, a 45-minute Zoom call, and it can understand where you are in your current situation and see if the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind is the perfect fit for you and your practice. It's not the Mark Slater Show. I'm just the moderator. I'm just the connector who brought all these doctors together in a room to share their challenges and get them the solutions that they needed to grow their practice. But one of the observations as doctors were talking and they were providing solutions, maybe looking for answers for as well. I know that's something that you might be looking for answers to that challenge as well. So to see those light bulbs go off, to see those breakthroughs happen in real time was so inspirational for me, knowing that this was the right thing to do for these doctors that were looking for more. If you want to learn more about the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind, go to my website, www.primespineconsulting.com. Click on the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind. You can book a call with me or my staff. I can give the information that you need and see if you and your practice are a good fit to join the Optimum Personal Injury Mastermind. I'm Mark Slater with Prime Spine Consulting.